Good morning. This is the Global Stock Investor Show. Welcome, global investors. Today I'll be going over the global banking sector, part 8. I'm going to give you guys 5 companies. Before I jump into that, pretty much this is what the stock is looking like. This is my portfolio, $5,654.43. I'm up $121.55. Percentage wise is I'm up 2.19%. As you can see the fluctuations, so we're pretty much here. This is pretty much my second year in investing in the stock market and globally. As you can see to the right, me scrolling down, these are my companies from ranging from $1,000 to $1, and there's 70 companies. I am, as of the 1st of March, I'm gonna start adding in 30% index funds, and then 5% bonds, and then 5% precious metals. I'm gonna show you guys like my strategy on that, and pretty much it's a moderate investing style. So I got an aggressive. My aggressive is 70% stocks, 30% index funds. And then I have a defensive where defensive is 50% stocks, 30% index, 10% bonds, 10% precious metals. So I'm in the moderate. My moderate ratio is 60% stocks, 30% index funds, 5% bonds, 5% precious metals. So, and that will start on the 1st of March. Okay, let's jump into this. All right, the first company is China Construction Bank. China Construction Bank. Let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, the upward trend, pretty stabilized. Looking for the peak. The peak is $23.27. Currently, baselining coming out of a bear market. Market price $17.45. About China Construction Bank Corp. Engages in the provision of a wide range of financial services to corporate and personal customers. It operates through the following business segment: corporate banking, personal banking, treasury, and others. And the corporate banking segment provides a range of financial products and services to corporations, government agencies, and financial institutions, which comprises of corporate loans, trade financing, deposit taking, and wealth management services, agency services, financial consulting and advisory services, cash management services, remittance and settlement services, custody services, and guarantee services. The personnel banking segment provides personal loans, deposit taking, and wealth management services, card business, remittance services, and agency services to individual customers. The treasury segment represents interbank money market transactions, repurchase and resale transactions, investment in debt securities, and trade of derivatives and foreign currency. The other segment refers to equity investments and revenues, results, assets, and liabilities of overseas branches and subsidiaries. The company was founded in October 1954 and is headquartered in Beijing, China. CICHY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group Incorporated, OTCMarkets.com. The current CEO, not listed. Employees, 352,621. Headquarters, Beijing, China. Global stock investing. Founded in 1954. Market cap, $206.04 billion. Dividend yield, 4.25. Nice. Okay, that's the first global banking company. The second global banking company is Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Okay, let's look at the 5-year. As you can see, pretty much similar to the previous. The peak, $18.89, pretty much coming out of a bear market. Current market price, $15.21. About Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Ltd. Engages in the provision of commercial banking and financial services. It operates through the following business segments: corporate banking, personal banking, treasury operations, and others. The corporate banking segment provides corporate loans, trade financing, deposit taking activities, corporate wealth management services, custody activities, and various types of corporate intermediary services to corporations, government agencies, and financial institutions. The personal banking segment offers personal loans, deposit taking activities, car business, personal wealth management services, and various types of personal intermediary services to individual customers. The treasury operations segment issues money market transactions, investment securities, foreign exchange transactions, and the holding of derivative positions for its own account or on behalf of customers. The other segment includes asset, liabilities, income, and expenses that cannot be allocated to a segment. The company was founded on January 1st, 1984, and is headquartered in Beijing, China. IDCBY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group Incorporated, OTCmarkets.com. The current CEO, not listed. Employees, 453,048. Headquarters, Beijing, China. Global Stock Investing. Founded in 1984. Market cap, 64.77 billion. Dividend yield, 3.94. Nice. Okay, the third global banking company is Banco Bradesco Preferred. Let's look at the 5-year. As you can see from the dip back in 2006, it's been climbing up. Another dip and then coming out of a bear market. See where it's peaked. Yeah, it's pretty much coming. The peak is pretty much back at its peak. Market price $11.48. About Banco Bradesco SA engages in the provision of financial and insurance services. It operates through banking and insurance segments. The banking segment includes banking activities. The insurance segment covers auto, health, life, accident, and property insurance, and pension plans, as well as capitalization bonds. The company was founded by Amador Aguiar on March 10th, 1943, and is headquartered in Osasco, Brazil. The current CEO is Octavio de Lazari Jr. Employees, 98,808. Headquarters, Osasco, Brazil. Founded in 1943. Market cap, 38.00 billion. Dividend yield, 0.58. Buy, 64%. Hold, 21%. Those two together, more than 75%. The fourth global banking company is Danske Bank. And I currently owe a share of Danske Bank. As you can see, straight line, so it's fairly new. As you can see, the peak, $20.85. Currently in a bear market. Market price, $9.50. About Danske Bank AS engages in the provision of services in the fields of banking, mortgage finance, insurance, pension, real estate brokerage, asset management, and trading in fixed income products, foreign exchange, and equities. It operates through the following segments: personal banking, business banking, corporates and institutions, wealth management, Northern Ireland, non-core, and other activities. The personal banking segment offers financial advice and solutions to private customers. The business banking segment serves small and medium-sized businesses through finance and contact centers, branches, and online channels that focus on solutions within financing, investing, cash management, and risk management. The corporate and institution segment provides wholesale banking services for institutional and corporate customers involving management services, trade finance solutions, custody services, foreign exchange and derivatives products, corporate finance, and acquisition finance. The wealth management segment encompasses expertise from Danske Pension, Danske Capital, and private banking. The Northern Ireland segment serves personal and business customers through a network of branches in Northern Ireland and digital channels. The non-core segment includes certain customer segments that are no longer considered part of the core business. The other activity segment encompasses group treasury and group support functions and eliminations. The company was founded by Gottlieb Hartwig Abrahamson Gidali on October 5th, 1871, and is headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark. DNKY is listed on the pink current market tier. OTC market data is provided by OTC Markets Group, Incorporated, OTCmarkets.com. The current CEO is Jesper Nielsen. Employees 19,768. Headquarters Copenhagen, Denmark. Founded in 1871. Market cap 15.76 billion. Dividend yield 2.87. Buy 50%, hold 42%. Those two together more than 75%. As you can see, I bought a share back in September 24th for $13.17. Last but not least is Deutsche Bank. See if I spelled that D-U-T, Deutsche Bank. As you can see, pretty much it's been in a bear market since 2004. Trying to find the peak. Well, it peaked back $42.28, and then from there it's been declining. Market price $9.24. The reason why I purchased this one share Deutsche Bank is because they're part of the they do business with the federal. They're a primary dealer with the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, so that was my reason on buying them. Yeah, I know that they're looking like that, but I just wanted to pretty much invest in other markets, and pretty much in the Euro system. So I purchased Deutsche Bank and Danske Bank, the previous ones. About Deutsche Bank AG engages in the provision of corporate banking and investment services. It operates through the following segments: Corporate and Investment Bank, CIB, Private and Commercial Bank, PCB, and Deutsche Asset Management, Deutsche AM. The CIB segment refers to the corporate finance and global transactions banking businesses. The PCB segment consists of the Postbank, Private and Commercial Clients, Germany, Private and Commercial Clients International, and Wealth Management business units. The Deutsche AM offers investment and management services. The company was founded by A. Delbert Delbruck on May 10, 1870, and is headquartered in Frankfurt am Main, Germany. Shout out to Frankfurt. I was stationed in Freiburg from 1998 to 2001. Right outside at a city called Freiburg. Military base was Ray Barracks. Elvis Presley was stationed there also. Wow, what an experience. I was like 18 years old, 18, 19, living in Germany. And that was one of the reasons why I joined the military, was to go directly to Europe and experience that. So the current CEO is Christian Sewing. Employees 97,535. Headquarters Frankfurt am Main, Germany. Founded in 1947. Market cap 18.30 billion. Dividend yield 0.65. Buy 8%, hold 46%. Now this is a pretty much high sell, as you can see from the graph. That's the reason why. I know it doesn't follow my 75%, but I purchased because I believe in it in the future. Like right now, it's going through some changes, and pretty much this is the European market. So pretty much, I like to see it also, so I can gauge it how the European market is looking. So plus, this is one of the big banks from out there. The total investment for these 5 global banking companies comes out to $61.31. In conclusion, China Construction Bank, one share of China Construction Bank is $17.10. Dividend yield 4.25. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, one share of Industrial and Commercial Bank of China is $14.86. Dividend yield 3.94. Banco Bradesco Preferred, one share of Banco Bradesco Preferred is $11.33. Dividend yield 0.58. Danske Bank, one share of Danske Bank is $9.21. Dividend yield 2.87. Deutsche Bank, one share of Deutsche Bank is $8.86. Dividend yield 0.65. Outro. Subscribe to the channel. Comment any questions or recommendations you have. Like if the content was inspiring for you. And share this information with other global stock investors. While you're slaying dragons, I'll be taming them.